Hello, folks. We have faced some of the biggest challenges that we've ever faced in this country these past few years. Challenges to our public health, challenges to our economy.
Yeah, the truth is that presidents do actually face a lot of headwinds when they first get into office. I mean, there is that honeymoon phase where everybody is enthusiastic about the new possibility, but then the realities of the difficult problems that they were brought in to fix start to present themselves. So historically, we see presidents have difficulty when it comes to poll numbers, typically between their first and second year. Historically, presidential poll numbers have tended to trend down in the last several cycles. The country is becoming more partisan. The country is becoming more bitter. It's simply harder to get people from across the aisle to approve of your presidency, no matter who you are.
Chief Clinical Officer for Dartmouth. I oversee the clinical operations through the system. I also take care of COVID patients. I do.
I think we need to remind ourselves that the success of the vaccines and the success of the administration is in keeping the pandemic from running wild, not necessarily from eliminating it. But that doesn't help you if your kid's out of school because your school is closed, and it doesn't help you if you can't get the bread you want because the shelf is done. You know that you're still alive, but what you really care about is your kid going to school. They chose higher inflation, which frankly is much, much desirable to higher unemployment. It's much better problem for Americans. No matter how much I don't like to pay for more for my gas or meat or bread either. It's easier to make that calculation when you have a job. The Biden administration clearly worked on trying to prioritize accomplishments, which is why they went for such big omnibus packages. Not only the infrastructure bill, but also, of course, the Build Back Better bill, which is still stalled in the Senate, and also now voting rights. Even among Biden supporters, we're seeing a general disillusionment in the administration's real political problems. I mean, the truth of the matter is, we should not expect dramatic, radical change from a Senate that is 50-50 split.